Welcome to SyncWords Academy. In this video, we will go over how time zones are used in SyncWords Live. All newly created SyncWords accounts default to using Eastern Time. This means that any events created and all listing views default to this time zone. Notice the start and end times of event on this page. This was created using the default Eastern Time setting. To change the default time zone being used, click on your account avatar and select Profile. From here, select the time zone you would like to work in and click Save. Now, let's go back to SyncWords Live. Notice that the listing time of event 1 has now updated to use the new time zone we set on our account. When you create a new event, the time zone drop-down will always match what you set on your profile. You can always change that by selecting a different time zone if you wish. Please note each member on your account can set their own default time zone. So for example, I could view everything using Eastern Time, while my colleagues based out of Los Angeles could use Pacific Time. Now, let's talk about the display time zone. This is the time zone shown on the captions and dubs pages. You can change that on a per event basis by going to the Settings tab, selecting the value you want to use and clicking Save. Please note, this will not change the actual time of the event, just what is displayed for your attendees. To change the default display time zone being used, click on your account avatar and select Accounts. From there, click the gear icon and then select the Settings tab. Select the time zone you want to use as your display default and click Save. Any newly created events will now use the new display time zone value you have set. Existing events would need to be updated manually. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video. For more videos and written articles on this and many other topics, please visit our help desk.